Thank you so much for your interest in one of our embodied retreats. So, I want to say this right out of the gate. I started hosting retreats 25 years ago because I love to travel. I find so much humility and awe when I travel. It's almost like I'm pulled out of my day to day, and then I remember what a big world this is. And I remember that there are so many other people on this planet that have differing viewpoints of mine that actually make more sense. So for me, travel is a non negotiable. When I started taking people on retreats, I found that there was so much magic in the people that actually showed up. Some people would come alone and they would meet their best friend or even their spouse. Some people would bring their friends, bring a group of people. And it's just so refreshing to show up at a retreat and not really retreat at all. It's really more like a reset. You pull yourself out of your life, your regular day to day, and you say, I am going to be open to something new. I am going to practice breath work and meditation and yoga. I am going to talk to people that I don't know, and I'm going to engage with nature and with a culture and a community that is unfamiliar to me. What that does to the brain and to the nervous system is profound. So our retreats just aren't about getting away. They're about so much more. So take a look at where we're going this year. We would love to have you. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I hope to see you on this path soon. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.